Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku I will solve in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Monday, November the 23rd, 2020. The second Sudoku is a 4-star Sudoku and this will be a number 1923. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. I do not know if this has 24 or 25, so let me count. We have here 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 2 plus 2 is 11. Wait. Let me count again. 5, 6, 9, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 25. Again. 2, 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 2 is 11 plus 2 is 13 plus 3 is 16 plus 3 is 19, 20, 25. So it's a 25 again, not 24 printed digits. All right, so let's get started. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there and 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see there 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 5, 6, and 9. And look, we have the 5 and the 6 there, so no 5 and the 6 in this box. The 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 7. Okay. 8. 6. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. Oh, 2 of those missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the 2 and the 6. We see here 2 and a 6 in this first column, so no 2 and a 6 in those 2 boxes. The 2 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The other 2 boxes in this big square are reserved for the numbers 9 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in the third column for the numbers 4 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then. How about the 2 in this column, 2 in the third column? So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, only place for the 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about in this big square, we have one of the missing numbers is 6. We see a 6 in one of those two boxes, so no 6s in these two boxes. There are 6, no 6s in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So we have a 6 in this row, a 6 in one of those two boxes. In the middle, a row, so in the row above, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6, there's 6, should be there. Two boxes left in this row for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this box. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in the first column for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 2 boxes left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those for you. How about 3 missing numbers in this column? The 4th column. Those numbers are the 6, 8, and the 9. 6, 8, 9. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. The 8 and the 9 are left. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. 9. Yeah. 2. Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in one of those two boxes in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 9, 8, 4, 9, 8, 4 and a 3. I need 3, 4, 9, 8, 3, 3. Yes, in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 9, 8. 9, 9, 8. 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the middle column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. Ay. Alright. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. In this big square, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, only 3 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Alright. And all the sixes are used. No, not used. I need a 6 there. We have a 4 here, so this can't be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4. Overlooked again, so this should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this can't be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. Alright. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 could be here, could be there. In this big square, one of the missing number is an 8. We see there ain't no 8 in those 2 boxes. There ain't no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8, 9, the 2 and the 3. How about the 3? 3 in this row, column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here, could be there. 3, 3. Here also a 3. Wow. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. Yes. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 could be here, could be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of missing numbers is 2. We see there 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Same, not the 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places, 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 could be here, could be there. Same with the 5 also. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, only 3 places for the 5 could be here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 could be here, could be there. So now we have a pair here. So now I know what this digit is in this row. 1 digit left for the 7. And now in this big square, wait. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There are 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. Yes. And all the 2's are used. I can not see. Yes, now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be the 2. Can see. Yes, and this should be a 5. So the 2 is used. All the 2's are used. 4 and the 3 are missing. 4 and a 3. 4 and a 3. No, cannot fill this yet. How about those 2? 8 and a 4. We have an 8 here. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. 1 box left in this column for the number 4. And oh no. Yeah, 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the middle column, the only two places for the 4 could be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. And all the 4s are used. I can see, yes. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 3 and a 9. No, we have a 3 here. The 9 and the 7. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9. Oh, not the 9 and the 7. 9 and the 8. So 9 and the 8. We have a 9 there, 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for the number 8. 3, a 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in that column the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 and the 8. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We have there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes again. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus, a tectonic one and a binary. See you then. Bye bye for now.